Today I will teach you what to do if you have a right angle triangle but you have a value of only one side of a right angle triangle, and you have to find the other two values of a right angle triangle, and also you have to find an angle of a right angle triangle, and you only have two angles but you need to find the third angle of a right angle triangle. So come to the board. So here I have a triangle here. I have only the value of base. I don't know the value of hypotenuse. I don't know the value of hypotenuse. And I don't know the value of perpendicular. So, and also I don't know the angle of this side, as this side is 90 degree and this side is 34 degree. So, as we have solved in our previous video that we have the value of two sides and we have to solve the third side, but here we have to find the value of two sides. Now for this purpose I am using trigonometric functions to solve these sides, as I have three main basic trigonometric functions. One is sine theta, and the formula of sine theta is perpendicular or opposite upon hypotenuse, and the formula of cos theta is base or adjacent upon hypotenuse, and the formula of tan theta is perpendicular over base. Okay, I cannot use this formula. In this formula I don't know the value of I have the value of base but I want to know the value of hypotenuse, so maybe I can use this formula, and in this formula I have to find the value of perpendicular and I have the value of base, and I can use this formula as well. So I am raising this. So we can solve this question from these of two formulas. So first I am solving this question with this formula. What is theta here? Theta here is 34 degree. Or I should change this angle, because if this is theta then this is alpha. Okay, so theta here is 34 degree. So I am just putting the value here. Cos 34 is equal to base over hypotenuse. So what is the value of cos 34? I am calculating it through calculator. So cos 34 is equal to 0.82. So this is 0.82 is equal to, and what is the value of base? The value of base is 8 over hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is dividing here and it will shift here, and it will become 0.82 multiplied by hypotenuse is equal to 8. So this 0.82 will also shift here, as it is multiplying here, then it will divide there. So the value of hypotenuse is equal to 8 divided by 0.82. Now I am calculating it through calculator. 8 divided by 0.82 is equal to 9.7. So the value of hypotenuse is 9.7 here. Okay, so this is the value of hypotenuse. Now what I am doing, I have two values. I have the value of base and I have also the value of hypotenuse, and I am writing the value of hypotenuse is here, which is 9.7. Now as I have know the value of hypotenuse, now I can easily calculate the value of perpendicular. So how can I calculate the value of perpendicular? From which formula? I am using Pythagoras Theorem here. So as you know that Pythagoras Theorem is c square, which is hypotenuse, is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So the value of c here is 9.7. 9.7 square is equal to, and the value of base is 8 here plus b square. So square of 9.7, I am calculating it through calculator. 94.09. So it is 94.09 is equal to 64 plus b square. So this 64 is adding here and it is now shifting here, and it will convert its sign from positive to negative. So b square. So I am going to minus is 94.09 minus 64 is equal to 30.09. So the value of b square is 30.09. Okay. Now I am to cancel the square, I am applying root on this side. So root b square is equal to, I am also taking the root of 30.09. So it will become 30.09. So the value of perpendicular here is 5.4. So now let me write it clearly. Okay, this is 30.09. Okay, so I have the value of perpendicular, I have the value of hypotenuse, and I have the value of base. So I am writing the value of perpendicular here, which is 5.4. Now I have to find the angle of this alpha. Okay, to find the angle of this alpha, I have to raise it first. Okay students, now I want to find the angle alpha. So to find the angle alpha, and I have solved this sides. Okay, to find the angle alpha, I already have two angles. So first I have angle which is 90 degree, or if I want to write in a formula form, so I can write alpha, or I can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So here is the formula whenever you have two angles are given and you need to find the third angle. So I am writing angles here. Angle A here is alpha, as I have to find the value of alpha. Okay, angle B here is 90 degree. So 90 degree plus angle C here is 34 is equal to 180. Now I am adding these angles. It will become 124 degree is equal to 180. So I am going to shift this 124 here. As 124 has positive sign here, it will become negative here. Okay, so after subtracting this, I get angle 56 degree. So now I have the angle of alpha is 56 degree, and this is the answer of this question. As I have told you in the starting of the question that I will solve this question from both formulas, like as I have solved this question with cos formula, now I will solve this question in tan formula or through tan formula. Students, I am solving this question with the formula of tangent theta or tan theta. The formula of tan theta is equal to opposite or perpendicular upon adjacent side, perpendicular upon base. Okay, so here theta is equal to 34 degree, and the value of, okay, I am putting the values here. Tan 34 is equal to, I have to find the value of perpendicular, so I have only the value of base here. The value of base is 8. So I am finding 1034 by calculator. 1034 is equal to 0.67. So 0.67 is equal to perpendicular upon 8. So I am shifting this 8 here. Here it is dividing and it will multiply here. So 0.67 multiplied by 8 is equal to perpendicular, or opposite. Okay, I am multiplying it with 8. 5.39, or if we round it off, it will become 5.4. So the value of perpendicular is 5.4. Okay, now I have calculated the value of perpendicular and I am writing this value here, 5.4. Now I can easily find the value of hypotenuse through Pythagoras theorem. So I am writing Pythagoras theorem here. Okay, which is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, so the value of hypotenuse as I have to find. So c square is equal to the value of base is 8 square plus 5.4 square. Okay, so c square is equal to 64 plus, and the square of 5.4 is 29.16, and I am adding it. It will become 93.16. Now to cancel the square, I am applying root here. Root c square is equal to root 93.16. So this both will cancel out. Root 93.16 is equal to c is equal to 9.65. So the value of hypotenuse is 9.65. So I am writing the value of hypotenuse is here. .65. Now I have solved this question through two formulas. I have solved it through formula of cos theta, and I have solved it through the formula of tan theta. You can solve from any formula which suits on the sides of according to the side of a right angle triangle. So if I want to calculate the angle alpha, this whole process cannot affect the angle alpha. Okay, I hope you find my video very helpful for you. So if you want to learn any other topic, or if you have any question related to this topic, you can contact me through on my email. I am mentioning my email in the description box, or I have Insta here. You can contact me through Instagram. I will reply your messages. Or if you want to do practice of these type of questions, then I am posting a lot of questions related to this topic on Instagram. You can solve these questions and you can send me the answer of these questions, and I will check and I will also reply you. Thank you so much. Bye.